How to make money on YouTube for free. Part 2. From beginner to monetized channel. Welcome back to Part 2. In Part 1, we talked about ways to make money online for free. Today, we are focusing on YouTube only. I will explain the journey from starting a YouTube channel with no money to building it toward monetization. If you are a beginner, listen carefully. You don't need an expensive camera. You don't need a studio. You can start with a phone, free tools, and your own ideas. Let's begin. Step 1. Create your YouTube channel. The first step is simple. Create a YouTube channel. Choose a clear channel name. Then add a profile picture, a banner, a short description. Your channel should tell people what they will get from your videos. For example, if your channel is about making money online, your videos should mainly help people learn about online income, business, skills, and related topics. Don't make your channel about everything. Choose a clear topic. Step to choose your niche. Your niche is the main topic of your channel. For example, make money online, tools, technology, education, motivation. Choose something you can talk about for a long time. Don't choose a niche only because you think it will make money. Choose something you can continue creating. Consistency is important. Step 3. Start with what you have. You don't need expensive equipment. If you have a smartphone, you can start. You can record your voice. You can make screen recordings. You can create simple videos. You can edit with free tools. Your first videos may not be perfect. That's okay. Your goal is to improve with every upload. Your first video teaches you something. Your 10th video should be better. Your 50th video should be even better. Step 4. Find video ideas. Now you need ideas. Don't just guess. Think about what your audience wants to know. For example, how to make money online, how to grow a YouTube channel, best free AI tools, how to create YouTube thumbnails, how to get more views. Look at questions people ask, then create videos that answer those questions. Your goal is simple. Solve a problem or give people something valuable. Step 5. Make the video. Now create your video. Start with a strong hook. Don't spend the first minute saying, "Hello guys, welcome back to my channel." Instead, quickly tell viewers what they will learn. For example, today I'm going to show you how to start a YouTube channel with just your phone and work toward monetization. Then explain the steps clearly. Keep the video moving. Remove unnecessary parts. Make it easy to understand.
Step 6. Create a strong title. Your title is very important. Don't make it confusing. Instead of, "My new YouTube video," try, "How to make money on YouTube in 2026." Or, "How to start YouTube with no money." Use words that explain what the video is about. But don't make false promises. Your title should match your video. Step 7. Make a good thumbnail. Your thumbnail needs to make people interested. Keep it simple. Use a clear image. Use only a few words. Make the main idea easy to understand. For example, $0 $1,000? Or, "Start YouTube." But remember, a thumbnail should attract attention without misleading viewers. Step 8. Upload consistently. Now you need to upload. You could start with 2 or 3 quality videos per week if you can maintain that schedule. Don't upload 10 videos one week and then disappear for 2 months. Choose a schedule you can follow. Consistency helps you learn faster. Step 9. Get your first viewers. When you publish your video, don't just sit and wait. Share it with people who may actually be interested. You can share it on your social media accounts. You can tell friends who are interested in the topic. But don't spam people. You want real viewers. Real viewers can watch your videos, comment, and become subscribers. Step 10. Get your first 100 subscribers. Your first 100 subscribers can feel difficult. Don't worry. Focus on making useful videos. Ask viewers to subscribe when it makes sense. For example, if you want more simple YouTube tips, subscribe because I'll be posting more videos like this. Give people a reason to subscribe. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment YouTube below. If you want part 3, where I explain how to get your first 1,000 subscribers and increase your watch time, comment part 3. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.